So tell us a little bit about this partnership. What do you get out of partnering with one of your biggest rivals?
Yeah, listen, if you're referring to New York, New York is representing a fantastic new opportunity for us. Our team has been working incredibly diligently to respond to that proposal process. And listen, right now it's really up to the lawmakers to determine who the right partners are. What I can tell you is we have a phenomenal head start in that region. We have more than a 50% share in New Jersey and Pennsylvania. And so when it's safe and legal to do so, we're prepared to provide the New York consumer a great experience.
Okay, let's talk a little bit about path to profitability. Parent company saying earlier today it expects to reach U.S. profitability by 2023. Walk us through what needs to happen between now and then in order to reach that milestone.
Well, let's start with the phenomenal first half of the year we had. As you said, we just delivered almost $1 billion in revenue. Q2 was the first time that we exceeded $500 million in one quarter. And so I think that just speaks to the phenomenal momentum that we have as a business and the great flywheel that we're building. I think what's most important to the question of profitability is we're not just acquiring those customers at an unbelievable clip, but we're keeping them and we're engaging them on the platform. In the first half of the year, we had about 1.5 million active monthly users, which really means that those consumers are coming to the platform, but they're coming back and they're engaged because we're delivering a phenomenal product experience. If you look at the outlook, it's even more promising. We expect over the next 18 months that there'll be another 9 states that come online, and 8 of those are sportsbook only, which really plays to our advantage as we sit here with a 45% share of the market.
Amy, what do you think in terms of total addressable market? I mean, how large of a market do you see within the near term and perhaps even within a longer horizon?
It's a great question. Listen, what I can say is the U.S. market has just continued to exceed our expectations. It's really going to be a function of how quickly some of those markets come online, right? Just between now and the end of the year, we have Arizona and Connecticut that will go live. Canada is going to open up with the Ontario province. So it's really a question of how quickly those markets come online. What I can tell you is that we remain laser focused on maintaining and strengthening that #1 position. So we're excited about the runway that we have ahead.